you guys? It's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. And if you haven't read the title, I am giving you an updated brow tutorial. I did a brow tutorial probably 3-4 years ago, but without further ado, let's get right into this brow tutorial. I'm gonna show y'all hoes how I do my eyebrows. I done changed how I do my eyebrows. Excuse this synthetica. First thing I do is brush my brows up. At the moment, I'm using the iMethod Brow Styling Wax. And this was about $13 or less than. And it looks like that. Mine is a little dirty because I'll be double dipping. But I'll take my Morphe 124 brush and I dip it in here. Since it's been getting dirty because of me double dipping and stuff, I would just put it on my brows like this. Get the wax in there. I'll take the spoolie brush and brush it up. Flatten it again. And I let it dry for a bit. Once it's dry, I take my Too Faced pomade and pencil in dark brown. And I fill in the fillers, like spaces where it's like less hair, or I feel like I'm bald. Yes, you can be bald on your eyebrows. And I do stroke likes going up. Like that, if you can see the difference. I don't go in this area right here because I bring my brows further out now. I'm thinking about shaving this tail right here, but when I don't have, you know, makeup and stuff on, I don't want to look crazy with just like half a brow. After that is done, I go into my Kiss New York top brow. It's like a cream. It looks like this. I use my Morphe 158 brush and I create my new tail. I started my arch right here. And that's how it should look. That's how I create my tail. I'm gonna clean everything up, of course. And I just fill it in. Brush it out. This one I kind of messed up, but that's okay. Then I will take my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Sand, which I'm almost out of again. Like, this is one of my favorite concealers to use. And I'm going to use my Morphe 124 brush. I also do the top too. And look how good that's looking already. So then I'm going to do the top with the same concealer. You can use foundation if you want to look more natural, but I like mine to pop more. And that's that. Then I'll take this Real Techniques brush, I think it is. I can't remember if it's a Real Technique, but I'm pretty sure it is. And then I just, you know, buff it out. That looks so good. I just gotta, you know, clean it up. I have hair all over the place because I did a review on his hair. If you want to see the review on his hair, it will be down in the description box below. I love how I do my brows now versus back then. I mean, this is a new era. Brows is different now. You can do whatever you want. There's no rules to makeup. It's how you like your face. It's your face. It's no rules to makeup. As long as it's all blended in and all of that jazz, is your face. But yeah, this is how I do my brows. And that's it. If you like this short video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And until next time, peace. I would like to get